Hello and welcome to our tutorial on how to insert a date picker in Excel. Whether you want to streamline data entry or improve your Excel skills, adding a date picker can be incredibly useful. Let's get started. The first step is to enable the Developer tab in Excel. Here is how to do it. Click anywhere here, right click, then go to Customize the ribbon. From this window, go down and click the case here, Developer, check it, then OK. As you can see, I have Developer here. So click on Developer, then go to Add-ins. In this window, click on Store. In the search bar, write date, then enter. OK, choose the first one by clicking Add, Continue. That's it. Okay, so now click anywhere. If you want to insert a date, then click any date you want. So now you've learned how to add a date picker to your Excel. This tool will make date entry more efficient and accurate. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.